Grounded. For life. Go to your room now.
What?
Hey Nezuko, Zenitsu, Inosuke, and Susamaru. We have some really exciting news to say you for. We are going to downtown to watch the fireworks because today is the 4th of July, which is also called Independence Day.
And as for you Susamaru, you can't come with us. You will be staying all by yourself in the castle because you have been a naughty girl. If you sneak out of the castle to watch the fireworks, you will be so grounded. Understand?
Yes, I will behave myself in the castle.
Good. Let's go without Susamaru to watch the 4th of July fireworks.
Man, why did Tanjiro and Kanao told me that I can't watch the 4th of July fireworks? That was so stupid of me for Tanjiro to say to me. So, what will I do to watch the fireworks? How about I will sneak outside of the castle to watch the 4th of July fireworks? Ha 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 ha.
Hey Demon Slayers, are you guys ready to watch the 4th of July fireworks? This will be really exciting.
Oh yeah Tanjiro, that will be the best day ever.
I agree with Kanao and Tanjiro. I love the fireworks. They're really colorful and spectacular.
Okay everyone, the 4th of July fireworks will start in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Ha 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 ha. I'm here. Now let's celebrate the 4th of July fireworks.
Oh, 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 oh. Susamaru. How dare you sneak out of the Demon Slayer castle to watch the 4th of July fireworks when I specifically told you not to? Now look what you did. Now you ruined 4th of July for the whole city thanks to you. That's it. When we get home, you will go straight to your room and go to bed. Susamaru, we are back to the castle. And now you ruined 4th of July for all of us, and so is the whole city. Why in the world did you sneak out of the Demon Slayer castle to watch the 4th of July fireworks?
Because Tanjiro, I love the fireworks, and I enjoyed watching the fireworks, and they are so beautiful and nice. So that's why I sneaked out of the castle to watch the 4th of July fireworks.
Shut up. That was very unacceptable to do that. You said that you are not going to do that, but you did, and you broke my promise. Shame on you for sneaking out of the castle to watch the 4th of July fireworks.
And that means you are so grounded for 1.5 million years, but that's not all. No entertainments for you during your grounding time. Also, no more 4th of July fireworks for you ever again.
Go to your room right now, and you better think about what you did.
No.